Hee. Oh, I won't focus. Okay. Hi everyone. So the TikTok video for this week was me showing you how my mind works, I guess, during my designing process. So I thought it'll be better if I just take you with me, like vlog style. So I thought it'll be a little bit more organic this week, a little bit more natural this week. So yeah. Hi. So I know I said this is gonna be a vlog type situation, but I kind of feel like I missed out on explaining a few things, and I came to find out when I was looking through the footage that I did not even like talk about how I came up with the idea, how I got into like the whole like creative process. So I think I'm gonna talk about it today here. And also, any steps that I'm missing, I'm just gonna explain it here. So, yeah. And if you can hear the little clicking, you scared me to death. But I heard that. It's my sister playing Sims. The design, this thing is so pretty, and like the pearls and the stones all instantly reminds me of mermaids, because I've watched Ariel, the Little Mermaid, throughout my childhood, and maybe that made me kind of put the color green in like correlation with mermaids, I guess. So I take most of my inspirations there. I'm gonna put my little mood board here. Usually when I have like a certain idea, I'd always go to Pinterest and just like search up the images that I think might work well with like the designs, and then I created this mood board right here. But like I kind of want it to be a little bit more wearable, so I decided against mermaid silhouettes, but I kind of want to take bits and pieces out of like the whole mermaid theme. So this is what I came up with. I kind of had to like draw a few things before I came up with the final design. For the top, I decided to go for something that's backless, something that you can tie in the back. Basically, this is my take on a seashell bra. She bought me two, boba. She bought me two, boba. And then the front, which is like a nice texture. I actually learned how to do this fabric manipulation in a textile class I took in college last year. I kind of thought that it kind of reminds me of like the texture of like a seashell, that like rigid and like uneven, and that's why I took this approach for the top. And then for the skirt, I kind of like wanted to take it simple because the top is like a whole lot already. So I just made like a regular simple H-line skirt because I don't want to make a mermaid style skirt because I feel like that's a little too obvious and I'm gonna be less likely to wear that. But I make sure that it's high-waisted, mostly because the top is already like very revealing. And also I choose like the same color for the skirt because you know how mermaids always match their seashell bra with their tails? I don't know, I thought that's just like a little fun thing I'd add. So yeah, that's basically the design process. Watching RuPaul Drag Race. This is the All-Stars for reveal. So here's the pattern that I made. Of course, I make it from the Masters. Added that, as always. If you've seen my previous tube top videos, measured up from the bust point, as always. I changed this sleeve a little bit because I don't want it to curve, so it'll be a better shape because there's not gonna be any like back piece. And then the dart, I'm just gonna glue them later on after I cut it. Oh, and the skirt, I'm just gonna put it right here. It's basically a basic skirt pattern, basically a master's pattern. I just make it a little bit shorter. And then the sewing, I started with making 2 straps, so I think I made like a 40-inch straps for each side. I'm gonna take 2 inches and just create a loop out of that so I don't have to like make too much strap. After that, I took the pattern and I cut 3 colored fabrics with the same pattern and then an extra lining. And then I took the 3, I sewed the whole thing together so it's just like one giant piece, and I started quilting it. Don't mind the hair. I am in the middle of re-dyeing my hair because this is basically now a pale pink and I'm used to my neon pink. So I marked this, I don't know if you can see, and then I'm gonna go and sew over that marking and then start to create my line. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you were to go like the other like round, it'd be like actually quilted. So from this, take the first 2 layers, never touch the bottom layer. So however many fabric you laid, never do the last one. So if you laid like 4, don't touch the 4th, only take 3. All you do now is just take a seam ripper or a tiny scissor like this. I just cut in between the stitches that I made. Welcome to my favorite part of the whole process. Here I got a, you know the brushes you use to wash your stuff? And then we're just gonna scrub over. That's it. And that fraying will reveal the bottom layer, like the colors underneath the fabrics, and it's just gonna be really, really pretty. And yeah. Hi. So here's my lining. I'm just gonna put it on top. So this thing is right side up. This is how the strap's supposed to lay, and this is the loop, and then just pin and sew. But I leave like a little like space underneath to like flip it, which is what we're gonna do next. Now all I'm gonna do is just fold the bottom in, and I'm just gonna stitch like probably 1/4 of an inch all through down here, just so that it's a little neater. Yeah. I made a little bit of adjustments because this top is like a little harder to do if it's shaped and then for me to do the texture. So I thought I'd do the darts after it's all done. Here it is on the bodice. I secure where I want to put the darts. All I need to do now is just sew in the darts. And then I haven't finalized the string, but it works out really well. Yeah, that's the top. Why isn't it focusing? I made that ugly. So I'm done with the top. Now I'm just gonna do the skirt, but before that I am starving. So I'm just probably gonna eat first. I haven't eaten since like 12 and it's now 6:30. I didn't realize it was 6:30. I'll come back later. Good morning, everyone. So it's the 2nd day now, 3rd or 4th, I don't know. Today I'm gonna do the skirt, just a simple A-line skirt. This is the easiest project though if you wanna like start making clothes. I already made the waistband and I've already sewn in the dart. Also, I don't have a green zipper. Again, I'm not prepared when I put myself into this, but I thought the lining was white, so I'll just like use white. Also, it's the only zipper that I currently own that's like long enough probably for this, but not too long. Have you all had your breakfast yet? This is my breakfast. That's how bad I've been. And for the skirt, I don't think I really explained how I did it. So what I did was I assembled the back, put an invisible zipper. I always do that with skirts. I always put the zippers with the fabric pieces before I assemble the whole thing. So basically I did that and then I attached that to the front. I made like a 2 inches waistband because I want it to be like a little higher than it's supposed to be. I made it like 1 inch longer so it'll overlap so you can put like the little hook thing. I sewed the side, I inserted in the waistband and I just hemmed the bottom, and that's basically how you make a skirt. I bet you there's like better tutorials out there. I'll just put some in the link below if you're interested. So yeah. If you want to start sewing, start with a skirt. That's basically it. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and like and subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in a few days. Bye.